Hey, how's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So as you see here, this is the new line that we built in my backyard. It's sort of like a flowy line, and then it has a bunch of berms down that way. So it's been like 2.5 weeks since it's rained. I don't know if you guys can see, but it is raining right now. So we're gonna tune up this line. Everything's kind of dried out. It's been, like I said, 2.5 weeks since it's rained here. So we gotta tune up all this stuff because it is so dry. Like, a lot of the stuff is just crumbling, like the berms down there. So, and then tomorrow's supposed to be like 70 degrees and sunny, so we're gonna hit everything tomorrow. So, but today we gotta tune everything up, and then yeah, let's get into this one. Okay guys, so what we're gonna start out with is the first landing to the first gap jump. So we gotta just, pack everything in and maybe give some new shape to this landing while we have the time to. So yeah, that's what we're gonna start doing. Alright, so guys, we're gonna move on down the trail. We've gotten this all packed up. Looks great. So now we're gonna move down to this roller that we just built yesterday. Needs some work, so it's sort of like a wave turn kind of roller. It kind of like banks. It kind of looks weird, but it rides really well. So we're gonna spend a little bit of time on this. This is really good clay though, so it should be a lot easier to, shape it up. Alright guys, so the roller looks great. We're gonna work our way down the trail. This berm's okay, this one's been here for a while. This one is not okay. We need to kind of shape everything in while we have this opportunity. Alright, so guys, the rain is coming down a lot. We've finished this berm. We're gonna work our way down to the next berm, which is over here. This berm is already packed in decently well, but we're just gonna give it a little bit of a tune up. So yeah. Guys, we finished doing this berm right here. We're gonna work our way further down the trail. Just give this roller a bit of a tune up, and then we'll go down to that jump down there. So we're almost at the end of this trail. Just get this roller done right here. Alright, so guys, we finished the roller. It wasn't too hard to just get everything shaped up. The rain is starting to come down pretty hard. We're just gonna finish off on this last jump here. This jump's already been packed in pretty well, so it shouldn't be too long. And then I'm gonna head inside soon because it's getting pretty mucky out here. And I'll see you guys more tomorrow after I finish doing this lip. So guys, I'm finished tuning up this whole trail. I finished out on this jump. I'll see you guys tomorrow when this rain stops. Hopefully everything will dry up and it should be a really fun session. I'm gonna have CJ out here with me tomorrow to do the trail. So yeah, see you guys then.